If you have a cleaning business and don't yet have a website, don't worry. In this video, I'll tell you about this easy to use and free platform called System.io. It has a simple drag and drop website builder so you can use it easily. Start by going to the official website of System.io. I'll put the link in the description and create your free account. Since I already have an account, I'll click on sign in. Now, to create a cleaning website, what you have to do is go to websites and blogs. In System, blogs are equal to websites. So if you create a blog, you are creating a website. Just click on create and name your blog. Leave this empty and pick a template. Since I like this one, I'll select the template and click on save. The template will be imported to your account. This means that you will now have the posts, pages, and categories. These are, of course, dummy posts. Go to the pages section and click on homepage. Now you can edit the homepage and create your cleaning website. Now to create your cleaning website, I would recommend go to your competitors' websites and look at how they are presenting their offers. I've opened two websites for you. Just take a look at them. They are in Alabama, a simple website with a fill out form and some copy. You can check them out and then recreate what they have created. The system has a simple drag and drop builder. So you can add different elements like text, headline text, bullet list, columns, rows, and form input and design your website. As soon as the home page is ready, click on save changes and click on exit. Now, what I would do is add the important pages. For instance, if you are offering specific services and want to create specific pages for them, you can create more pages and follow the same procedure for the design process. To check your blog, you can click on view blog and it will open up in the new tab. Now you have a cleaning website, you can edit it and add content to it. If you want me to create a cleaning website for you, just drop a comment below and I'll reply. Thanks for watching.